Imagine a car so iconic that one glance instantly transports you back to an era of chrome, power, and pure American confidence, a machine that didn't just dominate the streets, but defined a generation. Today, we're diving into why the 1960 Chevrolet Impala Sport Coupe isn't just remembered, it's worshipped. What's up, everyone? Subscribe my channel. Today, we're not just talking about a car, we're stepping into a moment in American history, a rolling symbol of power, style, rebellion, and pure automotive soul. Picture the year 1960. The air is thick with ambition, rock and roll is reshaping culture, chrome rules the streets, and America is dreaming big. Out of that dream rolls one of the most iconic machines ever built, the 1960 Chevrolet Impala Sport Coupe. This isn't just steel and rubber, this is attitude on four wheels, and once you understand it, you'll never look at classic cars the same way again. The first thing that hits you about the 1960 Impala Sport Coupe is its presence. Long, wide, low, and unapologetically bold. The body stretches out like it owns the road, with sweeping lines that feel fast even when the car is standing still. The wide grille up front isn't asking for attention, it's demanding it. Quad headlights stare forward like a predator locked onto its target, while the sculpted hood hints at the power waiting underneath. This car doesn't whisper luxury or performance, it announces both at full volume. Walk around to the side and you see why the Sport Coupe became a legend. The pillarless hardtop design gives it that clean, uninterrupted window line, making the car feel open, sleek, and futuristic for its time. When the windows are down, there's nothing but open air from front to back, a feature that made this car feel like freedom itself. The chrome trim runs along the body with precision, not overdone, not shy, just perfectly balanced. And then there's the length. This car doesn't rush anywhere. It glides, it cruises, it makes every mile feel important. At the rear, the 1960 Impala delivers one of the most recognizable designs ever put on a production car. Those triple round taillights on each side aren't just lights, they're a signature. One look from behind and you know exactly what you're seeing. Add in the subtle tail fins and wide rear stance, and the car feels planted, powerful, and confident. It's the kind of rear end that people remember long after you've driven away. Open the door and step inside, and you're transported to a time when interiors were built to impress. The cabin of the 1960 Impala Sport Coupe is spacious, elegant, and driver-focused in a way that still feels special today. The wide bench seats are wrapped in beautifully patterned upholstery designed for comfort during long cruises, not just short trips. The dashboard stretches across the cabin like a command center loaded with chrome accents, clear gauges, and that unmistakable steering wheel that feels more like a piece of art than a control device. Turn the key and this is where the Impala truly comes alive. Chevrolet didn't play it safe with engine options in 1960. Buyers could choose everything from a smooth and reliable inline-six to powerful V8 engines that delivered serious performance. The small block V8s gave drivers that perfect balance of everyday drivability and muscle, while the big block options transformed the Impala into a street-dominating machine. This car could be a comfortable cruiser, a family ride, or a full-blown performance beast depending on how it was ordered. And let's talk about how it feels on the road. The 1960 Impala Sport Coupe doesn't just drive, it floats. The suspension was tuned for comfort, soaking up imperfections in the pavement while still keeping the car stable and composed. You don't fight this car, you guide it. Steering feels deliberate, smooth, and confident when you press the accelerator. The response is deep and satisfying, a reminder that this machine was built in an era when engines had character and sound mattered just as much as speed. What truly elevates the 1960 Impala Sport Coupe beyond just a classic car is its cultural impact. This car became a symbol. It showed up in movies, music, and neighborhoods across America. It became deeply rooted in car culture, especially in custom scenes and lowrider communities. The Impala wasn't just modified, it was celebrated. Hydraulics, custom paint jobs, wire wheels, white walls, and interiors tailored to personal style turned these cars into rolling works of art. Few vehicles have been embraced and reimagined the way the Impala has. There's also something powerful about the timing of this car. 1960 was a transition year, a moment between the excess of the 1950s and the performance wars of the 1960s. The Impala Sport Coupe captures that balance perfectly. It has elegance without being soft, muscle without being crude, and style without being flashy. It represents a moment when cars were built to be beautiful, comfortable, and exciting all at once. Today, the 1960 Chevrolet Impala Sport Coupe stands as one of the most desirable classic Chevys ever made. Collectors chase them, builders customize them, and enthusiasts admire them. Finding a clean, original example is like discovering a time capsule, while a well-built custom can easily stop traffic at any car show. Values continue to climb, not just because of rarity, but because of respect. People know what this car represents. When you see a 1960 Impala Sport Coupe rolling down the street today, it feels different from seeing other classics. There's a presence, a weight to it, like it carries stories from another era. It reminds us of long summer nights, open highways, drive-in theaters, and a time when driving was an experience, not a chore. This car wasn't built to rush, it was built to be enjoyed. And that's why the 1960 Chevrolet Impala Sport Coupe remains timeless. It's not just remembered, it's revered. It's a reminder of what happens when design, engineering, and culture collide at exactly the right moment. Whether you love it stock, customized, slammed, or roaring with horsepower, the Impala speaks a universal language among car lovers. It says style matters, comfort matters, and passion matters. If you've ever dreamed of owning a car that turns every drive into an event, that makes people smile, stare, and reminisce, this is it. The 1960 Impala Sport Coupe isn't chasing trends, it created them. And decades later, it still leads the way. What's up, everyone? Subscribe my channel, because if you love legendary cars like this, you're in the right place.